I just received the ceiling fan duster from Estillo, and look how cool this is. It has a nice furry duster, and it has a hole right here, so you're gonna stick it through the ceiling fan blades. And it's also adjustable too. You can make this 27 inches and up to 47 inches, depending on how high your ceilings are. And this is how easily it works. So you have this threaded piece right here, which you're gonna attach to the head. Perfect. And then you have this back end, which is the handle. Now, if you don't need it to be too long, you can do it like this. And this is the 27 inch. Or you could detach this and attach these two extendable poles. So it's up to you. And let me put it on so you can see exactly how large it can become. And look how simple this is to do. Now, another nice thing about this is it is washable. All you need to do is add some mild detergent to it and water, and then you just clean it and then allow it to drip dry. So that's good. So you can use this time and time again. And this is now that last handle piece. So this is the largest it can be, which is a full 47 inches. Perfect. And look at how nice and fluffy this is. Perfect for cleaning ceiling fans, definitely. And let's go try it out. Wow, this worked so good. And here I thought my ceiling fan blades were clean. Nope. And what a huge difference. Love it. Definitely will be using this for years to come. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.